guys, it's Gina and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, wherever you are. In today's video, we have another Jeffree Star mystery box. This is the first mystery box you could have got, so I think this was the which one were you? Normally it says on here. Doesn't say. I think this was the premium and then it went deluxe, so we're just waiting on our deluxe one because they each ship separately because they're all just shipped right in the box. This is the packaging of this box. It's just like the other box but in black. So if you have seen my first mystery box video that I posted of the Halloween mystery box, go check that one out. We were doing an experiment to see if you actually do get different things in these boxes like he said you would. So what we're doing right now, I'm just opening up this box. And once I open it, we will get right on into the video. All right, so I'm trying to open this thing. Okay, we got this open. And this one came with 4 items. So, let's first off, we got Cherry Wet. This is what this one looks like. Let's swatch her. And this is what it looks like. Very pretty. I really do like that. The box, gone. And next, this is gonna be a little bit of a quicker video because there's only 4 items in this one. So this one came with, I can see it right now, is 1 liquid lipstick, was the holiday item because it came with 1 for the small box, 1 Halloween item, 2 in the, I think 2 in the medium sized box, and then 4 was in the big box. So this is a lip ammunition in brown sugar, which I can't open it. This is what the packaging looks like. This is from the summer collection. And this is what this one looks like. So we're going to swatch it. Oh, it's so nice. This is what it looks like right here. I swatched it a lot more than you would on your actual lips. That way it can come up on camera. But this is meant to be a lip topper or worn on its own. I really think that's super pretty. And we did get a double in here because he sent another Jawbreaker mini palette. So this is the mini Jawbreaker palette. This at least should be. Yes. So if you got the big box and the medium box, you got another mini breaker palette. I already have one open, so I will show you guys that. This is mine. This is what it looks like. And these are the shades. So I will swatch them for you because I swatched them in the last video. It's only fair to swatch them again, so we're gonna do a better job by swatching these this time, okay people? I promise you that. So we're gonna go in with Double Scoop, Orange Crush, Foreplay, and Oral. And we're just gonna swatch these on my hand, on the back of my hand. So that's what it looks like. This is Oral, Double Scoop, Orange Crush, and Foreplay right here. Very pretty. I love the shades. Like I said, this is my palette I already have open, so this is my palette. And then we have Purple Punch, Slice, Bubblegum, and Bite Me. So this one is Purple Punch, Slice, Bubblegum, and Bite Me. And then the last shade we have is just Hot Fudge. And that is what that one looks like. And that's this one right here. So I personally already have it, but that's because I literally buy his palettes as soon as they come out, because that's just me. So that one is actually gonna be put to the side, probably for a giveaway. Let me know in the comment down below if I should make a giveaway. Again, let me know. All right. And last but not least, we have another mystery item. Yeah, I got the other liquid lipstick. So in my first mystery box, I got Zombie Kiss. And in this one, I got Soul Sucker, which I think is a black, but it's sparkly. And we got it, because you didn't know which ones you're going to be getting in the box. Oh, I didn't show you the packaging. That's horrible on me. Hold on. Okay. So this is the packaging it came in. And then this is the shade name. And this is what it looks like. Oh, there's literally like a gold flake to it. It's not even like glitter. It's literally a gold flake. Like that. There's literally gold flakes in it, not even gold glitter. Let me swatch it somewhere where you guys can see it really good. This is insane. Not even gold shimmer, literally gold flake. It shows up better on this one. Oh my goodness. All right. That's freaking insane. So while I'm taking off this stuff, don't mind my dogs. I wanted to see if I got any dupes, and the only dupe I actually got was the mini Jawbreaker palette, which for getting 2 of his boxes so far, that is pretty decent. I don't mind that I got 2 because I know, I can't say who I'm gonna give the first one to because she watches my videos. Like she'll be very grateful for it and will love it. I know she will. And then the other one I can keep and give a mini giveaway for you guys. So, I don't think that's too bad. I think this is awesome. I love when it does these mystery boxes. We're just waiting on one more. So I really hope that you guys will like this video. And let me know in the comment section down below if you guys got a mystery box and what you got in it. Did you get anything that I got? Did you get anything different? Let me know. Alright, so that's the end of today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this, and I can't wait for you guys to see it because I enjoyed this. I love his mystery boxes. If you are new here, give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. If you're not new here, please do that as well. Click that notification bell so you know every time that I upload a video, and hit the subscribe button and join the fam. Now, I will see you guys in our next video, which will most likely be another mystery box. Bye, guys.